Hi, this is Joel's brother. I did a boneheaded move. I'm doing plumbing, doing a house, and I've researched it, and it's been going great. I've got about 5 joints left to do, and this 3-inch waist for one of the bathrooms happens to be by this sliding door, and it was just going great. The whole job has been going great. And then for some reason, the purple primer brush slipped out of my hand, hit my arm, which is no big deal. It comes off eventually. Then it lands on the floor over here, and it splashes up on a brand new vinyl door. Brand new, $1,000 door. And I'm just devastated. I Googled, and it said to use PVC cleaner. I got this. It's good for plexiglass and stuff like that. It's a clear cleaner. Really didn't do anything. So they told me on the YouTube to get or not a YouTube, but just in the directions, get some acetone and lightly do it. It started, you can't see, but I started up here and I thought, well, this might be a good YouTube or whatever, because, you know, I'm not the only guy that has bad luck. But you can see it's shiny and it kind of got dark. But anyway, you can see it right here where I've rubbed already. But I took it all off up here, and I'll keep going. I just put a little bit this on a clean towel, and we'll do this area here. If the camera moves, I'll show you again, but this one's right in a crack. So, but you don't have to press real hard. Not pressing real hard, but I'm trying to go in a circular motion so that it almost buffs it out too. Let's see. There's a little bit and there's a little bit, but it takes a little process. But put a little more on. Let's see. We'll hit where these 3 are here. Hopefully it's not drying more and more. From the time that I dropped it to the time, I'm gonna set this down maybe. I don't know if it'll see that line. I see the line. Right there, maybe that'll do it. Let's see. Oh, that's a good picture. Yeah, that way I can put a little bit of elbow grease on it and lean. Get a clean spot on my rag again. But yeah, just a dumb thing. Just get it on the rag. Just keep buffing it until it comes off. And it kind of a slow process, but it has been coming off. And like I say, I ran up to the local hardware store, and from the time I spilled to the time I got back, probably 15 minutes had gone by. So I didn't know if I'd be able to even get it taken out or not. But I'm rubbing it up and down on this piece because it's a crack. It's like a joint. Yeah. See, it's coming. Okay, we're back. It's been cleaning for about 20-25 minutes. And I think you can see the sheen. And you can see where, but I think this will buff out. We'll clean this up with maybe soap and stuff, but you can see a very hint, a little bit there, a couple there. I mean, it couldn't, probably because Took us 15 minutes to get our stuff, but you can see my wife did this side. She did better than me, maybe. But got 98% of it probably out. Turned out nice. What a bonehead move. But anyway, that's it. We used it. Got better than glass cleaner. And that didn't do anything. They said use that first. Something like this. But that didn't do anything. So used it said use a pure, a real good acetone. And that's what we did. And it says use cotton balls. But, I mean, you can use cotton balls. I would have used 50. Because we've been doing this for probably, like I said, 20, 25 minutes. But I'm satisfied with it. My wife is satisfied. And we'll get some polish and we'll kind of lightly clean it back up so that we can get our sheen back on it. But I'm okay with it. Just stupid move. Now I just got to finish that one, this one. I'm making my way over there. And so I've got like 5 or 6 couplings to put in, or Ys. And we're going to put plastic over it now. Put plastic here. We'll put plastic there. Who would have thunk? I didn't have the problem for the last 2 weeks plumbing. But lesson learned. Hopefully this lesson will help somebody else not pull a bad move like that. Anyway, hope this helps. Have a good day. Here's another added snippet. When I was cleaning, it looked like it was all pretty good. It's getting dark in here, but I used my flashlight on my phone so I can see, and I could see little spots. So I went back a couple times after and hit them again. And that brought us to the results that you just saw. So hope this helps anybody. Even if it helps one person. It's so frustrating when it happens. So again, we're going to put plastic over this door and this window just so I don't get a drop on it. Anyway, have a good day. Good luck.